How do I read without getting lost?
Great question. First, reading without getting lost means keeping your mind focused on the main idea as you move through each paragraph. Second, today you will see how simple tools help you stay oriented even when a passage feels long or tricky. Third, stay with me because these steps make any story or article feel calmer and easier to follow.
That makes me wonder, how does this actually help someone learning science?
Great question. That curiosity is exactly how real scientists think. Number 1, it helps you quickly find the author's message instead of getting stuck on hard words. Number 2, it trains your brain to spot patterns, arguments, and clues in any subject. Number 3, it makes studying less stressful because you learn to guide your attention on purpose.
Okay, wait. If I could only remember one thing, what's the main idea I should remember?
That is an important question. Big outcomes always start with small causes. 1. Picture the passage like a road where each paragraph is a sign pointing you toward the author's goal. 2. The big truth is that staying focused on the main point keeps you from wandering off. 3. Remember the phrase, follow the signs, follow the idea.
Alright, this part always helps me. Can you show me how this works step by step?
I love this part too. Let me walk you through it slowly, one clear step at a time so your brain can lock it in. Step 1, glance at the first paragraph to find the topic and tone. Step 2, notice how each new paragraph adds, argues, or explains something. Step 3, keep asking, what is the author trying to say overall, as you move through the text.
Oh, now my brain is picturing it in real world. Where do I actually see this in real life or medicine?
First, when you read instructions for a game or recipe, following the main idea helps you finish without confusion. Second, doctors use this skill when reading patient notes, making sure they understand the key concern first. Third, learning to track the main message helps you solve problems by focusing on what truly matters.
Okay, last thing. What's the quick trick to help me remember this forever?
Here is one simple trick that will help you remember this forever. Number 1, imagine each paragraph holding a glowing arrow pointing toward the author's point. Number 2, visualize those arrows forming a smooth path you can walk along. Number 3, remember that reading becomes powerful when you follow ideas, not distractions. If this sparked curiosity, leave a comment and share this with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together. Don't miss the quiz episode. Brains remember better when they are tested.
See you in the next episode.